Now we have Ducky, the blue-fronted Amazon, that's also going to do the same training technique as her friend Clara. There goes Ducky overboard, and I'm going to hand her to Mommy.
Let go, Duck.
Oh, she's biting me now. She doesn't want to let go, and this hurts a lot.
Let go. Let go of her head.
I'm trying, honey. She's got my fucking hand. Oh, I shouldn't have said effing. That hurt, and I'm bleeding now, as you can see. Okay, here we are. Ducky's overboard now.
Oh, she got it that time. Look at her. She swam right to
And she's climbing up the net.
it. Good bird, Ducky.
Now I'm bleeding all over the camera. Hence the reason why birds fly and they're not supposed to be in water.
Good girl, Ducky.
But she's coming up now.
Good girl.
Birds in training.
She's like, got this, no problem.
I got this. And she's safe. Ta-da!